Okay, welcome back to the channel. So, a lot of people going crazy over green hydrogen stocks. I remember I did a video about PRL. I think I did the video here saying all they have is lands, and they've gone up since then. I didn't buy them, and I still wouldn't buy them. So, what is a green hydrogen company? So, pretty much, you need land, you need, well, it needs to be sunny land, I guess, windy land, which these guys have. And then you need the wind turbine, you need the solar panels, and you need the hydrogen electrolyzer. So anyone with land, decent land, solar panels, they'll buy from someone else, wind turbines, they'll buy from someone else, and hydrogen electrolyzer, they'll buy from someone else, can set this up. So what's special about this company? Why would you buy this company here for 200 million? Like, how much money are they going to make? I don't think anyone knows this. And if they're making good money out of it, why wouldn't Fortescue just come along with a 5 billion profit from last year, do the same thing? Nothing. So they have no special source. So it could go well, but just a warning that it's probably definitely going to come down from here in the short term. I don't know about long term, but just be warning that you're buying these companies and they've got there's no moat around these companies. You're first to the market, maybe you're going to make small returns, I don't know. So just be careful. This could go up more. I'm not sure what the revenue is going to look like, but hydrogen isn't easy to make, and natural gas is a lot cheaper. And yeah, so you could also buy this company, went up 70% today, only 12 million. So what's the difference between LIO Energy and PRL? There's not much. That PRL has land here. Where is it? And LIO Energy has land. So LIO Energy went up today because they got capital raise of 3 million. So they're going to buy, well, do a study first, I guess. Put up solar panels, wind turbines, and split water into hydrogen. So there's going to be a lot of these companies coming up lately. So who will prevail? The most efficient, maybe the biggest. All these companies are going to have to raise a lot more money to get this off the ground, and they're probably not going to see much return for a fair while. In my opinion, my unprofessional opinion. So Fortescue's got $5 billion profit from last year. Andrew Twiggy Forrest wants to do it. So maybe they buy up PRL just for the land if PRL's got some good land there that's sunny and windy. I don't know. But there's a lot of land around here. Put that 5 billion, set it up. They don't make much money straight away. Fortescue does matter because they're going to make money off the iron ore. And then eventually maybe they'll get closer to and more efficient with the hydrogen. There'll be a bigger market. Everyone's going to go towards it. And I think hydrogen is stupid for electric vehicles. Definitely stupid. Pretty smart, or a bit smarter, putting into a pipeline with the natural gas, because all the pipelines already set up. Instant natural gas. There's gas boilers all throughout Perth that could benefit from this, etc. Once again, unprofessional opinion. So there's no special source, no moat with these companies. Maybe the first to market, they set up first, make a little bit of money, I don't know. But the company I did buy in, which I think has some sort of moat, because copper, if you look here, they've been trying to find copper, spent all this money here. This is exploration budgets. So a lot of money spent trying to find it, and this is the findings compared to these years. So they haven't found much copper at all, meaning that if they can't find copper, and they need a lot more copper, because every wind turbine that Fortescue wants to buy, PRL wants to buy, needs copper in it. Copper wiring, all that jazz. Electric vehicles need copper. So if they can't find any copper, the supply versus demand means the price will probably go up. Meaning what Hot Chili has in the ground now, I think it's like, I'm not sure how much it is, but it's like $50 billion copper. That doubles. They've got $100 billion of copper. Means this should eventually pop. So, just a quick, this is not a Hot Chili video, just a quick spiel. Hot Chili has 3 million tons of copper in Chile, and they're getting to 5 million, because when you get to 5 million tons of copper, it makes sense to build a $2 billion copper processing plant. More so than if it was just 3 million tons of copper. So they're drilling in the ground, finding all where the best copper is. They've got about 3 million now. They've got 2 other lookalike targets from their actual targets with copper. So this target has 2 million, no, I think it's 1.7 million tons of copper. And then they've got 2 other lookalike targets like that. So hopefully they'll get past 5 million. And if not, they'll probably get bought out anyway, because they're going to need that copper out of the ground, because people are going to be paying more for it, in my unprofessional opinion. So yeah, and also copper companies get bought out. The historical average was $150 million per million tons. So if it gets to 5 million tons of copper, Hot Chili will get bought out for $750 million, and they're currently today at $120 million. So that's a 6 to 7x. And if they keep finding more copper, so they go 10 million tons of copper, that's a $1.5 billion buyout. Once they get bought out, that is. So that's big from this price here of 4 cents. This could be a 5 to 10x. Or maybe they don't find any more copper and it sits there for another 10 years. You probably won't lose money. I think they've already put at least $100 million of drilling into the ground. Probably even more than that. So you're buying this company with free drilling, 3 million tons of copper in the ground, and they got 5 million ounces of gold. So they got a lot of gold as well. And yeah, I just don't know why it's staying around here. It makes more sense. It should be a 6-cent company. Who knows? Also, the copper price is high, so you should never buy a metal stock when the metal is high, because they go in cycles. So you buy at the top, you're going to lose money. You want to buy at the bottom. Although copper is at a high price now, this company still hasn't moved, and I don't think we're at the end of any cycle in copper at the moment, because they're going to have to drill it, find it, and it's going to take at least 10 years for them to... Yeah, I think the copper price is going to stay where it is or higher for a fair while now, unless someone goes out and drills and finds a shitload of copper. So that's where my money is, and you never put all your money in one stock, unless you're I know you can if you want to, but it's not really wise. I bought AGL, lost 50% on that stock. That was just one stock I bought, and yeah, never buy into one stock. I thought it was actually a safe stock, being electricity, but they got coal plants and whatnot. It's probably actually a good buy. If you got 10% of your portfolio now in AGL, ASX, so I think I bought like 17 cents. Thought I was getting a good deal. So dividend 10%, and AGL actually makes money, and they could probably start doing green hydrogen as well. Yeah, so AGL, I think it's going to turn around. Who knows? It could keep dropping. I'm not sure if it goes to $5. I think that's a really good buy. You could buy it now, get that dividend. What are the risks? I know people can make their own electricity at home, don't even need the power lines, but that probably won't happen. Elon Musk says we need 3 times more electricity from grid when all these electric cars come out. So we need the solar in our houses, and we need the utility companies, according to Elon Musk in this one interview I heard. So that's it from me. So remember, no special sauce here. It's just ketchup and mayonnaise. The Big Mac, it's just whatever they put in, The special sauce isn't that special, and PRL doesn't have much special sauce. I wouldn't be touching them. Could go up, but you don't have to risk it. You don't have to play this game until you find something you believe in my case, Hot Chili. You can take a swing at that. You can play this game. You don't have to play this game. So just sit back and wait for a good pitch. That's what Warren Buffett says. And in baseball, you can have 3 pitches, strikes, you're out. In investing, you can let all those fly past and only hit the good ones that you want to. So wait until you get the perfect shot and then swing. And also, don't even swing at this market, because the time when I was swinging was around here. I didn't buy at the very bottom, but I got pretty close either side of the bottom. And yeah, the only stock I think I've bought since coming out from this was, what was it? Yeah, hot chili copper, and that's it. So that's about it from me, and I'll see you in the next video.